Donald Trump, my president, so messianic. I love America, man. All the way from Nigeria, so messianic. Made a century, elegant, la familia. La muchibu la palata, la entrepreneur la senasa. C'est la entrepreneur. C'est l'entrepreneur. Tibuzo Maria who said he will tender $10 billion for TTT campaign. Worldwide official. Say la familia. Say la signal for this seller. Say they kill some people. Say some black people they kill for that corner. Say the PD say the investigation for Main Street. Say 2 gangbangers kill 2 people for the squares and crunch today. Say this man alcoholism. Alcoholism is the warrior. He tell me say I don't get identity. Because say me in Africa. You know some Africans intellectual. I love that vehicle, man. All money in records. Nipsey Hussle, 60s. Who get this gas station? A suspect named Ifeanacho Christian from Nnobi. A suspect named Ifeanacho Christian from Nnobi, who was a student nurse at teaching hospital Nnobi, said Obichukwu and Godson paid him $17,000 to poison TTT CEO Nipsey Hussle. All money in, create your mouth. The marathon continues. A suspect named Ifeanacho, CIA, FBI, NPF, Peoples of America, a suspect named Ifeanacho from Nigeria poisoned Lord Okechukwu, Promise Okechukwu, CEO TTT, 2020 Nigeria presidential aspiration. A suspect named Jonathan of Vikings fraternity has been housing a suspect named Ifeanacho Christian who served in the Nigerian army. Ifeanacho came to my house in Koreatown on 3rd of Vermont by lock and keys. Lock and keys. So much illumination. Nipsey Hussle, in records, key to the Siri. Lalezenwa, key to the Siri. So much illumination. Donald Trump, I am Barack Obama. Barack Obama, I am Donald Trump. Donald Trump, we are United States of America. Land of freedom. Only Sunoto winner. U.S. Embassy, number 1 Carleton Avenue. Loyalty. U.S. immigration, secure my border. Donald Trump, I am Lord Okechukwu, Promise Okechukwu. This is the land given to me by God Almighty. Mighty and merciful, Ebelufuma. Jude Cargo, Ebelufuma. Jude Wilson Pence of Artesia, a suspect named Ifeanacho Christian, poisoned me and stole my green card when I was living on New Hampshire Avenue, 250 to be precise. The house bought by my sister, Florence Edwards, wife to Chairman of America, Albert, 20 years police chief, Cerritos Mo, Cerritos PD. Kenny, nothing they solve, my G boy. Kenny, nothing they solve. Umuji, Nigeria first. Toshku Malaysia, and how I beg you make you return my money, so they go return my money. From now on, anything will happen for your house, Fihala, you're on guard. Chima Malaysia, nothing they solve. Ejima, if you go for Maka Memu, Egi send the gang will go look moto. Ejimi Hala, if I lie to you, make I die. How you doing? Please, my brother Ejima said my name is Promise Okechukwu, that my father is from Paint Industries, that I have a house in Paramount. He sent me $17,000 from Indonesia to buy him a car, and I was shot by Godson on Rosecrans and Crenshaw, and Obichukwu said he provided the gun, and I called the police. They ran away and said I don't have evidence. Do you know where there is a police department? Yeah, we're good. Respect, bro. La Familia gang, 6 registered nurses. I love this vehicle. More CCTV in your vehicle. Some Nigerians are criminals. More CCTV and protect yourself. Fuck Donald Trump. We buy this block land. Nipsey Hussle, culture mafians. Uzoma Timothy Anyanwu, I owe you loyalty and respect. Uzoma, the kind bullet wey dey this bag, if I discharge am to God, na 70 private jets. Look at my brother KC don come. KC is the #1 official TTT USA office. So much illumination. That's KC. Ha! The one we go reason. The one we go reason. Can you feel that you will reason? Only the South Abuja. Say Chima, tell Chima make an open office for Abuja. Chima now buy. You understand? Excuse me. Are you selling iPhone in Abuja? I want to buy an iPhone. I'm from Canada. Oh, nice looking out. One CCTV in your vehicle. They killed 2 people on Rosecrans and Crenshaw yesterday. That's when I take us out. One cameras in your vehicle. They're killing people everywhere. They killed 2 people in Rosecrans and Crenshaw yesterday. Oh, man. Yeah, nice looking out. Free mercy. Black empowerment. Barack Obama, my black president. I am a CNN analyst. CIA, FBI, I want you to investigate the trajectories of Ifeanyi Achor, who came from Nigeria and poisoned TTT CEO, Tijo Global Records Entertainment. The 2020 Nigeria presidential aspiration will win uncontested. Let me check if this is my girlfriend, Empress. Empress, I love you so much, baby. You know who we are.